This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Matthew Stebbins, presenting a splendid opportunity to acquire this exquisite 2022 Denton model with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Situated in the vibrant active adult, 55+ years old, community of Harmony's Lakes, this home is a testament to comfortable living. Revel in its open floor plan adorned with crown molding, a huge kitchen island, quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances. Privacy is paramount with no rear neighbors, allowing for serene moments like watching the rocket launches on the expansive brick pavered screen lanai. Residents of Harmony Lakes relish in an array of amenities, including recreational activities, a lavish clubhouse, refreshing pool, fitness gym, and pickleball/tennis courts. Moreover, they have access to Harmony's offerings such as scenic trails, Buck Lake with water activities, a community garden, parks including a dog park, and a championship golf course. This home and community epitomize a lifestyle.